Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania until 3:15 p.m. At 2:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bernville, or 10 miles northeast of Myerstown, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Reading, Wyomissing, Kutztown, Fleetwood, Sinking Spring, Laureldale, Womelsdorf, Wernersville, Robesonia, Leesport, Shoemakersville, Bernville, Lyons, Strausstown, New Morgan, Spring Ridge, Fairview Heights, Shillington, West Reading, and Mount Penn. This includes Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 4 and 11. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania